right.
Hey y'all, so it's only right that I give you guys a tour of our Dominican Republic villa Airbnb. So come on in. Y'all hurry. So when you first walk in, you have the living room, dining room area. Oh, let me close this door real quick. I don't have to beat nobody up. But you have this dining room table right here. This is the dining room area. Over here, this way you have the living room. Y'all have to excuse me because we're getting comfortable, baby. We is tired. So then you come this way and they have this cute mini freaking kitchen. Like it's very, very small here. Like everything. They also have plates up here and whatnot. Oh, it ain't nothing in there. You see? Okay, so you got some pots down there as well. The lady ended up telling me that when we get here, do not drink the water because you can get sick. So right here they have this fridge. And that's all we got in here really, is just water. Oh, ain't nobody drink this yet. Let me put this in. That water gonna hit every time. They're gonna come this way, and right here, I guess it's like a little storage area. I don't know what it is exactly, but I feel like we put some stuff in there and some stuff, I guess, at the bottom. But then we're gonna go to bedroom number 1, and this is bedroom number 1, y'all. It is so freaking cold in here, but this is the bed, and over here we have closets. Ooh, I didn't even know it was deep like this. This give me scary movie. Like, oh baby, don't haunt me. You see? So do it scratch all? Oh yeah, so it scratch all the way through. It give me hot. And y'all, what's so crazy is that the AC is shaped like that, which is weird. Okay, and then over here, it's not really much of a view. Like, you're really looking at dirt, which is so... Well, she's so happy screaming at whoever that is in that big ass truck. So then we're gonna come this way, and we're gonna hit the first bathroom. So this is the first bathroom right here. You have a mirror, sink, everything like that. They also have a window inside the shower. Yeah, so then we're gonna come this way. And we got our little TV that's hanging up, child. They did they woman there. So then we're gonna come to the second bathroom. Now again, excuse me, my mom in here sleep. But this is my mom. Child. But like the other ones, this one right here is also the closet, of course. Then we're gonna come down to this bathroom. And this is how this bathroom looks. They also got, what is this called?
A bidet.
A who?
Bidet.
A bidet. Treat her like a bidet guy. Corny joke. And this right here is the shower. But the most thing that, come on Ariel. The most thing that I love about this whole entire villa is the view and how big our balcony is. So we're gonna walk this way. Let me cut this light off. So look at this view, y'all. Look how big this freaking balcony is. Like, this balcony is super duper big. And then over here in the corner, they're building, I guess, some more villas. So that's why that looks like that. And then I want to say, I think those is also a part of this too. Yeah, so they're building some more stuff in over here. They got actually hotel rooms. But y'all, this balcony is huge. But let me show y'all this. Hold on. The balcony literally wraps around, y'all. This is crazy. Look at this view. It's so quiet. Like you don't hear nothing going on for it. This view is amazing. Like who looking for me? Oh, okay. And then we also have a chill chair and also a chill table. And then we go through this door, we'll be right back at square one. But yeah, y'all, so this is the villa. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And we is lit in the DR, period.